silver nor gold, but still it shine ancient and bold. Each strand tells story of I trot from Babylon fire to Zion God. Them laugh at I when me was youth, but now them see your light and truth. Me na boss, me just live right. Rasta walk clean through darkest night. Me wear me crown of locks, proud and free, symbol of strength and divinity. Me roots run deep like old fig tree, Rasta rise up eternally. Me wear me crown of locks, no shame. I and I chanting Selassie I name. You will me not, but still me stand. With love, with truth, with lion clan. Me nah follow trend, me follow star. Me guide not man, me guide come far. From hills of Ethiopia to West Wind Shore. My spirit rich, though me might be poor. My temple sacred, my breath a psalm. My handwork humble, my heart stay calm. My sight the system, me know it fake. So me walk real, and me not break. The locks on the head ain't just for show. It's oath me take from long time ago. Me bear the mark of the covenant. Just soldier, patient, militant. So when you see me crown, show respect. Me not judge, me just reflect. What Babylon twist, Rasta correct. Truth and liberty we protect. Me wear me crown of locks, proud and free, symbol of strength and divinity. Me roots run deep like old fig tree, Rasta rise up eternally. Me wear me crown of locks, no shame. I and I chanting Selassie I name. You wear me not, but still me stand. With love, with truth, with lion clan. Me not change for likes or style. Me walk Rasta way mile after mile. Me speak idol, me burn envy. Me sight your face in every tree. So if you see me, give I hail. Me crown a seal pon spirit trail. From Addis Ababa to Island Sand. Me walks through a jar in hand. The crown no made of silver nor gold, but still it shine ancient and bold. Each strand tells story of I trod from Babylon fire to Zion God. Them laugh at I when me was youth, but now them see your light and truth. Me not boast, me just live right. Rasta walk clean through darkest night. Me wear my crown of locks, proud and free, symbol of strength and divinity. Me roots run deep like old fig tree, Rasta rise up eternally. So if you see me, give I hail. My crown I sail upon spirit trail. From Addis Ababa to Island Sand. My walk still with jar in hand.
Darkness walking in broad daylight. Them sell lies dressed up like news and profit off the people's blues. But I and I now follow trend. Recite people around the bend. No hold to prophecy and prayer, even when no one else can. And at this time, we make you awake. Darkness walking in a broad daylight. Them sell lies dressed up like news and profit off the people's blues. But I and I now follow trend. Recite people around the bend. No word to prophecy and prayer, even when no one else can. And at this time, me stay awake. My soul too precious for Babylon take. And at this time, my eyes stay clean. My spirit burn like kerosene. And at this time, me walk with truth. Me chant the elders and the youth. And at this time, me hold your line. Me roots run deep, me trees still climb. Them praise money more than life. Them build kingdom on envy and strife. Them call it freedom, but it's a trap. Sweet sugar like with poison rap. The rest of man, me can't be fooled. Me know the system and all the rules. So me move wise like serpent tread, but I'm pure like Zion bread. Me not bend to the pressure, not bow to fame. Me not sell out, just for me. Me worth trust Jah will. So in a this side, me blaze me path. Me chant truth while them play craft. Me know the game, me know the cost, but I will never get lost. In a this time, me stay awake. My soul too precious for Babylon take. In a this time, my eyes stay clean. My spirit burn like kerosene. In a this time, me walk with truth. Me chant the elders and the youth. In a this time, me hold your line. My roots run deep, my tree still climb. In a this time, in a this time, me not let go, me not lose mine. Me stay alive, me fight the fear. Just still close, you're always near.
Turn up the bass, let the ground shake. Rhythm run hot like sun pan lake. World sound power, this can't fake. Truth cut deep like a sword for wake. Them build empire with steel and lie. But one drop rhythm make it cry. Select to pull up, spin it clean. Music tear down what them can't see. Some kill Babylon, no blood run. Just truth in rhythm, word and drum. We fight with mic, not with gun. Jah like blaze until them done. Some kill Babylon, dance for full. Every heartbeat like bassline pull. We chant for justice, chant for peace, till all oppression finally cease. Miss the elders by speaker stand, chanting psalms for the promised land. Miss the youth rise with spark and fire, ready for truth, now follow liar. From Tower Hill to Ethiopia plain, Rasta voice break every chain. When rhythm drop, the lights collapse. Jarron things can't stop that. Me no need bunker, much them plan. Me drop one tune and them can't stand. From root to leaf, we purify. This reggae fire can't deny. So let the trumpets on the Zion roar. One dub plate, move a cycle the score. Me see them fall in a soundboy war. White truth echo from speaker core. Some kill Babylon, no blood run. Just truth in rhythm, word and drum. We fight with mic, not with gun. Jah like blaze until them done. Some kill Babylon, no retreat. Wisdom heavy like thunder beat. We chant for love, chant for right. Rhythm rise like morning light. We mash them plan, chanting psalms for the promised land. Miss the youth rise with spark and fire, ready for truth, now follow liar. From Tower Hill to Ethiopia plain, Rasta voice break every chain. When rhythm drop, the lights collapse. Jarron things can't stop that. Some kill Babylon, no blood run. Just truth in rhythm, word and drum. We fight with mic, not with gun. Jah like blaze until them done. Some kill Babylon, no retreat. Wisdom heavy like thunder beat. We chant for love, chant for right. Rhythm rise like morning light. Me wait before some same old shoes. Nothing to eat, still me can't lose. My mother pray while the kettle dry. Me step in faith, not asking why. Them say me poor, me know I'm rich. Cause my heart beats strong and my mind was switch. Me nah beg fear, me nah beg like. Me just hold firm and chant through night. Still I rise when the world pull down. Still I stand when them laugh and frown. Still I chant though my voice get low. Still I pull like roots below. Still I rise with no gold chain. We wear scars like a lion mane. We're not giving, we're not disguised. We walk with truth, still I rise. Police come search my lane, but my soul no carry shame. My youth them need food and book, so my hustle clean, my fine and nook. My virgin fall to street last week, my light a candle and still my speak. Me no revenge, me seek repair. Me know just see me everywhere. Me no born for lose, me born for fight. Every day me mash up wrong with right. Me take the licks, me take the blows. Still my spirit rise like rose. Babylon rough, the system cold, but my story still I go be told. Me carry bricks with empty plate. Still me chant, still me create. Still I rise when the world pull down. Still I stand when them laugh and frown. Still I chant when my voice get low. Still I go like roots below. Still I rise with no gold chain, but wear scars like a lion mane. We're not giving, we're not disguise. We walk with truth, still I rise. Still I rise when the world pull down. Still I stand when them laugh and frown. Still I chant till my voice get low. Still I go like roots below. This one for every ghetto youth who wake up in pressure and still show love. For every mother whose church one call into 3 plates. For every man who choose peace even when pain run deep. We see you, just you still, we rise. From birth to grave, them hide the books and call we slave. But deep inside my spirit burn. We know the truth and overstand, learn. We shut the mouth but open sight. Me walk with Jah, me dream at night. Me see beyond illusions veil. Where wicked tremble, truth prevail. Third eye open, now me see through the smoke and mystery. No more blindfold on our mind. Jah reveal what man can't find. Third eye open, vision clear. Me not bow down to doubt or fear. Me trod in silence but awake. Me soul too strong for them to break. Them flash illusion like a show, but roots man wisdom always grow. Me seek the herbs, me seek the sound, where sacred teachings still abound. Not in temples made by hands, but in the hills and in the sands, where birds and wine still speak to I, and starlight guide from up on high.
Not everything seen with eyes is real. Not everything hidden stay concealed. Jah give we vision not made by flesh, so we see clean, no Babylon mess. Me close me eyes but my sight expand, like Ethiopian scrolling hand. You walk with lion, me sit with priests. No wisdom rise while them run feast.
Eyes, heartbeat drum. Third eye open, now me see through the smoke and mystery. No more blindfold on our mind. Jah reveal what man can't find. Ooh, open wide, Jah light inside. See through veil, walk in truth, not pride. Ooh, no shadow when heart reside. In place where spirits can divide.